And if you see the green line increasing, this is where you're going to see price increasing as well. Just like this, as soon as you see whale money flowing out of the market with a downward movement in the green line, you're going to see prices drop as well. This is very, very consistent as we head into the bull market, finishing up 2023 and on into 2024. You, as a trader, need to know exactly how to make the best possible trades to maximize your profit. Today is November 28th, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we at Trade Confident are maximizing our profits using three simple indicators: the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We're going to show you our favorite risk management strategy, and I'm going to show you the power of compound investing. Stay tuned. This video may be one of the most valuable you ever watch. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with TradeConfident.io, here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Thanks so much for joining us today, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more crypto content, education, and analysis. If you head down to the description of the video you're watching right now, you're going to see we have a Cyber Monday flash sale going on, $600 off our indicators. Let me show you what that's all about right now. But first, I want to let you know you can join our 97 win, 0 loss trade call strategy, access our daily crypto metrics, and join our $1 million profit account challenge at the second link with a membership. And you can join our Telegram channel for free at the third link. Check out this sale. Now, before we get started, I want to let you know the indicators you're about to see me use are on the biggest sale we've ever ran. Members get $600 off, but I'll show you how to get a full $650 off if you watch till the end of this video. Check it out, $250 off right here, and $350 off the TC top and bottom finder. This person earned 16% with these indicators, $9,000, and their account is up over 39% after trading with the indicators. This person made $950 in one day. This person made $4,300 in just a week. A common pattern is these indicators are paid off very quickly after purchasing. And if you want further proof, if you head over to our trade setups page on the TradeConfident.io website, we are currently 97 wins and 0 losses. By the way, we have a couple of brand new trades for you to check out as well. If you head over to the view performance record, because I know everyone's going to be downloading the 97 win, 0 loss rate, you can see every single trade since we started recording on February 22nd, 2023 and onward. Tons and tons of 4% trade wins here. And as we've transitioned into the bull market, we've started trading 6% trades, 10% trades, 8% trades all over the place. And all the trades right here, of course, reserved for members' eyes only, are trades you can join right this second. Do not miss out on the next trade calls. You need to be paying attention to these indicators. Alrighty, here we are looking at Bitcoin USD on the 4-hour time frame, trading with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicator. These indicators are designed with three specific purposes in mind. The price versus whale money flow tracks where whale money is moving in the market. Whales are literally called market makers, and they're called that for a reason. Where their money goes, the price is likely to go too. And if you see the green line increasing, this is where you're going to see price increasing as well. Just like this, as soon as you see whale money flowing out of the market with a downward movement in the green line, you're going to see prices drop as well. This is very, very consistent. And if you pair it with an indicator that tracks the momentum of the price action itself, you can see up here, if we see a top out, it means that the price of the coin you're looking at is overbought and is likely to begin heading down soon. This is exactly what happened. And as the price dropped, we saw this lower and lower and lower until we reached the long trade zone. You can see short trade and long trade zone. You can read this is overbought and oversold as well. Once we dropped into the green zone, right on time, the price bottomed out and we began moving back up. And as we topped out, we saw trades in favor top out as well. So if you see price versus whale money flow low and you see trades in favor low, ideally as low as the long trade zone, but especially in the bull market, halfway down is plenty. If you see both those signals, you're very likely to see moves up. And here we see the TC top and bottom finder. If you see a buy or strong buy signal, the vast majority of the time, this is going to be a great place to enter. Boom, move up, move up, move up, move up, over and over again. You will occasionally see misdirected signals, but that's why we pair this with multiple indicators. You want to see confluence between multiple indicators before making your trades. At this level, price versus whale money flow is still high. Trades in favor was still in the middle, but you need to see at least two indicators lining up before entering a trade. And let me show you an example of this. As you saw right here, price versus whale money flow is low. we saw a buy signal. So that covers the 2 out of 3 signals we needed. On top of this, trades in favor was decently low. It was low enough that I personally would have entered that trade. So you have your entry. How are you exiting? You're going to want to look for the opposite signals. You're going to want to look for price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high, and or a sell signal. We didn't quite get one here, but price versus while money flow and trades in favor were high, and that's enough for me to exit. So let's check out how much we would have made on that trade. Remember, signals post on candle close, so we're going to go there, and then if we move all the way to the top of the price versus while money flow and go to the close of that candle, that was a 7.45% trade win. Okay, so we've exited the trade. It's time to look for our next entry. We saw a price versus while money flow drop right about here. We saw price versus while money flow low here. Trades in favor was decently low, not quite as low as we'd like it. But if you look a little bit farther, price versus while money flow dropped out, trades in favor dropped out, and we got a strong buy signal. All right, let's make our entry. Right here at candle close, then we're going to line it up to where you see price versus while money flow high, trades in favor high. Onto the candle close, check it out, that is a 5.4% win. Do it over here, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low with a buy signal, on up until price versus while money flow is high and trades in favor is high. Candle close to candle close is another 5.8% win. And just recently, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low, buy signal, and the price is still heading up as we speak. It's currently 3.8%, but I'm willing to bet we're going to see even higher, because we still see price versus while money flow moving into the market, and where while money goes, the price is likely to go too. This should see a continued move to the upside, and we still have plenty of room to go on the trades in favor as well. Now, I know people are going to ask about this. We have a buy signal here. This could have been a good entry with the delayed move up, but once again, price versus while money flow was high, trades in favor was high, so this was not an ideal entry. Right here, buy signal, but price versus while money flow was in the middle. Trades in favor was decently low, but price versus while money flow was just not as low as I would like it, so this would not have been a good trade either. Personally, I would not have taken either of those trades. Now, at this point, I'm going to show you something called compound investing, and then we'll move on to the final part, the risk management segment of this video. Compound investing is crucial in any trader's toolbox. What this allows you to do is actually maximize your profit for every single trade. Let's say you start with $1,000 here. You enter it here, exit it here for an easy 7.45% win. You're going to calculate this out by doing $1,000 times 1.0745. Congrats, you just made an easy $74.5. In one single trade, you've paid for your membership. So instead of entering your first $1,000 into the next trade, what you're actually going to do is invest this full amount, $1,754. Let's say you take that trade exactly as I showed you, multiply it by 1.054. Enter. Okay, so now you have $132. It's not much, but it is more than you would have originally made if you entered $1,000. Again, you enter your third trade and multiply this by 1.0508. Enter. You're now at $1,190. Do it again, except this time around, price has actually gone up. Multiply this by 1.0392. This brings us to a grand total of $1,236.70, or $236.70 worth of profit. I'm going to write that down right here, $1,236.70 total. Now, let me show you what it would have been if you just invested $1,000. So originally, if we multiply by 1,000, times 1.0745. Essentially, if you take the percentage, it's just going to move the decimal place over 1, and that's the dollar amount. So let's check this out. 74.5 plus 54 plus 50.8 plus 39.2. You can see here this comes out to $218.50 instead of $236.70. Now, I know this isn't a massive difference, but this is only 4 trades. As bigger trades happen, especially as we move into the bull market, this difference becomes greater and greater and greater, and you make massive profits. In fact, as you continue investing more and more, this becomes an exponential point. And the more you make, the larger profits you make on each trade. So just stick with it. You're going to make crazy profits with this strategy. Now, I want to show you our risk management strategy that has helped keep us safe through the entirety of the bear market and why we've earned 97 wins, 0 losses on the TC top and bottom finder. You're going to enable the show take profit, show market order, buy limit 1, and buy limit 2. Now, what I like to do is enter my trade into 3 equal parts. The very first one, when I'm ready to enter a trade, and I'm not saying right now is a good time to enter, I'm just saying if you were, I would enter my first part into market order just so I have skin in the game. And from there, I'm going to set my take profit 4% above my break even. So if the price continues moving up and goes above our take profit, congratulations, easy money, we're going to get ready for the next trade. But if not, let's say the price drops and falls below buy limit 1, well, thankfully we have parts 2 and 3 in buy limit 1 and 2. Now, what a buy limit is going to do is as soon as the price drops below the level set at this number, it's actually going to enter you into a trade at that point. Now, since you have some entered in the market order area, this is actually going to bring your break even down significantly, roughly halfway between the two. And on top of that, you're going to have twice the amount invested than you originally did, both of which increase your profit potential significantly. From here, just remember to move your take profit down 4% above what it currently is. And if the price drops below buy limit 2, I highly doubt it's going to happen at this point, but you always want to be safe. It's going to bring your break even down way further, and you're going to have 3 times the amount you originally invested. Really, the only way to lose is if the coin goes to 0, and if Bitcoin goes to 0, we have much bigger problems. It's literally as easy as that. Just use 3 different signals, use this risk management strategy, and try out the power of compound investing, and I'm betting you're going to be making money like crazy. Now, I do want to say none of this is financial advice. All trades are at your own risk, but you saw those testimonials and you've seen our trade record. These indicators are insane, and you're going to want to snag them as soon as possible because our sale literally ends in a few hours. That's right. It's our Cyber Monday sale, up to 80% off our indicators. You do not want to miss out on this. Now, I told you I'd show you how to get an extra $50 off. Check it out. Let me show you how to do it. All you got to do to snag these indicators is check out the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and the flash sale is right here, the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the Cyber Monday sale, $600 off the indicators. Act fast because this is ending at 5 p.m. Pacific time today, Tuesday, November 28th. Best possible deal here. We're not going to waste any time. Membership discount is $250 off. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with the membership than it is without one. Access the coupon code at that link, write that down, then click Pro Indicator Pack. Scroll down and click I want this. Throw in your membership $250 coupon code, fill in your information here, then click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a massive total discount of $650. There's your extra $50. Just go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.